Hello everyone and welcome back to The Perfect French with Dylane. Today on these Thursday tips we're gonna learn 20 idioms and expressions about body parts. No PDF on Thursday, I know, but you can get it on the description box. Just copy paste it to keep it so you can review. You can also go to my website and actually grab all the other PDF about grammar, about vocabulary, about listening practice. They're all there, so go grab it if you want. And leave me your email so you get my free ebook about vocabulary sometime in December when I'm done with it. Alright, let's get started. Number 1 is avoir une taille de guêpe. Avoir une taille de guêpe, which literally means to have a wasp waist. Avoir une taille de guêpe, it means to have an hourglass figure. Avoir une taille de guêpe, so have a really small waist. Numéro 2, prendre ses jambes à son cou. Prendre ses jambes à son cou. It means to leave really quickly. So you take your legs on your neck and you just leave really quickly. I don't know why, I don't know where I come from. It's really weird, but prendre ses jambes à son cou. And it's something that we use actually really often. So all of them, they're not old school or anything. We use them all the time. Prendre ses jambes à son cou. Numéro 3, avoir la tête sur les épaules. Avoir la tête sur les épaules. To act with reason. To be down to earth. Avoir la tête sur les épaules. Numéro 4, avoir le bras long. To have a long arm. Avoir le bras long. Means that you can reach to things. You have influence. You have connection. You can make things happen. Avoir le bras long. Numéro 5, l'huile de coude. L'huile de coude. The elbow grease. L'huile de coude. So usually mean, if you're a bit lazy or something, you need elbow grease because you don't do much. So you need to grease your elbow to do more stuff. Numéro 6, avoir la main verte. Avoir la main verte. So this one is actually quite the same than in English. To have a green thumb. Avoir la main verte. Numéro 7, se mettre le doigt dans l'œil. Se mettre le doigt dans l'œil. So to put your finger in your eye. That means to make a mistake, right? You're mistaken. You're about to make a mistake of. You think it's gonna happen? No. He put his finger in his eye. I don't know if that makes sense. Se mettre le doigt dans l'œil. Numéro 8, avoir les choses en main. Avoir les choses en main. So you just, your things in your hands. It's good. It's all good. You are in control of the situation. It's all good. Avoir les choses en main. Ne t'inquiète pas, il a les choses en main. Avoir les choses en main. Numéro 9, être pris, la main dans le sac. Être pris, la main dans le sac. To be caught red-handed. I guess it's from pickpockets. Pickpockets, they obviously reach for your bag. Être pris, la main dans le sac. Numéro 10, and I think this one is universal. Croiser les doigts. On croise les doigts. And we usually use it with on. On croise les doigts pour toi. Cross finger for you. Cross finger. Numéro 11. Connaître quelque chose sur le bout des doigts. Connaître quelque chose sur le bout des doigts. To know something at the tip of your finger. To the tip of your finger, it means to know something like the back of your hands. So you know that perfectly. It's right there. My camera just turned off, so I hope the sound is gonna be good for the second part. Numéro 12. Manger sur le pouce. Manger sur le pouce. To grab a bite to eat really quickly. So I think it's just like, manger sur le pouce. That means that comes from that. So it's eat on your thumb. So that means like just really quickly. Numéro 13. Passer la bague au doigt. So usually se faire, passer la bague au doigt ou passer la bague au doigt de quelqu'un. Passer la bague au doigt. To get married. Et numéro 14, all the romantisme, avoir la corde au cou. Avoir la corde au cou. To have a rope around your neck means to be engaged. I don't know where that comes from, but I guess the person who did this one did not have a good marriage. I don't know. But avoir la corde au cou. Numéro 15, ne pas arriver à la cheville de quelqu'un. Ne pas arriver à la cheville de quelqu'un. Numéro 16, I like this one, avoir un poil dans la main. It means to have a hair in your hand. So that means that you're so lazy that you have hair growing in your hands. So avoir un poil dans la main. Numéro 17, same than in English. Être sur le dos de quelqu'un. Être sur le dos de quelqu'un. To be on someone's back. Être sur le dos de quelqu'un. Numéro 18. Mon sang n'a fait qu'un tour. Mon sang n'a fait qu'un tour. My blood only did one round. So that means that you got angry so quickly that your blood just went once and you got really angry. So it's the same as the English one. To make my blood boil. The same thing, it's the same expression. Numéro 19. Avoir le cœur sur la main. Avoir le cœur sur la main. To have your heart on your hands. Avoir le cœur sur la main. Just to be too nice, right? You're ready to offer your heart to everybody. Numéro 20. Mettre les pieds dans le plat. Mettre les pieds dans le plat. That means, so you put your feet in the dish. Means that you say something stupid that you were not supposed to say, you just told someone something they were not supposed to know, Mettre les pieds dans le plat. That was the 20 idioms and expression about body parts. I did another one of those videos that was about fruit and veggies. If you want to look it up, I'm going to put it right here and in the description box. If you like this kind of video, I do Thursday tips every Thursday. So you can subscribe to my channel. I post all those videos a week. Expect listening practice right now because I have to work on my book that I will release in December. If you want to have the ebook for free, don't forget to leave me your email on my website. You can also connect with me on my Instagram, my Facebook page, my YouTube channel is this one. If you have a question, please leave me a comment about French, about everything. I'll be more than happy to help you with anything you need, really. And I will see you soon for another lesson.